everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. So on today's video, you guys, I wanted to go to one of my favorite antique stores here locally. I wanted just to go see what all they did currently have at the moment. I haven't been there in such a very long time, so usually around this time they'll start putting like some fall stuff out, and they have some amazing candles, so I want to go see if they also have that. If you have never ever been here before, hi, welcome. My name is Gina. I am a mommy of two, and I do a lot of home decor videos, mommy vlogs, DIYs. So if this is content that you do enjoy, please consider hitting that subscribe button and joining my YouTube family. Alright, you guys, so without further ado, let's go to the antique store.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
Hey guys, so I wanted to bring y'all with me and show you this particular antique store, because this is where I do tend to pick up all my antiques from. So this one is located in Crosby, Texas, and I really love it because they have some very affordable prices. Usually a lot of antique stores, they upscale almost everything, and this one, you know, I mean, there are certain things that are more expensive than others, but for the most part they have really good prices, and that is the reason why I love it here. So yeah, this is pretty much the antique store that I go to almost all the time when I am looking for antiques.
I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. You and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
So one thing that I really do love from this particular antique store is the prices on the Crocs. So I really do love antique Crocs, and I have found that this has been the best place to buy them. Why? Because they are very affordable. So the way that this antique store works is there is 3 different little houses. So each house is packed with nothing but antiques. And I really love that, because they do have a big variety of all kinds of goodies.
And I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you are all he wants, and it's midnight? Oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my
we are back from the antique store, and unfortunately I did not find anything that I really liked, so I didn't pick anything up. I'm sorry that the video was kind of short on that also, but there was quite a few people, so I didn't want to be like in their way, you know, like whenever they were looking at everything. So I just picked up as much footage as I could. But now we are back home, and I'm going to make some pumpkin pie muffins. So this is my first time making these, and I'm going to kind of tweak it a little bit. So I'm going to show you the ingredients. Okay, so here I have my liners already, and the liners that I'm using are those non-stick liners, and I did get the liners from Amazon. I will go ahead and have them linked down below for anybody that is interested in some. And so this is what I am going to be using. So I am going to be using the super moist cake mix in the yellow flavor by Betty Crocker, and this is basically going to be, you know, like the main thing that I'm gonna put on there, but I am going to follow the instructions. So it does call for 1 cup of water, a half cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. So that is pretty much what I have here. The 3 eggs, I have the half cup of oil, and then I have the 1 cup of water. And then I am going to be adding some of the pumpkin puree on there to be able to give it that taste. Hopefully it comes out good, you guys. And I'm going to be a rebel and sprinkle some of this, well, if it can focus, this pumpkin spice seasoning on there. I'm just gonna put it in there. And then I have some brown sugar, so I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. So
never knew that it could feel this way when you lie next to someone. You don't even need to play pretend, 'cause you find the way you are. I wanna know you better, give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when you're lying in my arms. My heart is open, it just took some time. Now I just hope that you'd stay for a little while.
okay, so then whenever I was about ready to add the brown sugar, you guys, I know I did say that I was only gonna add 1 tablespoon, but I decided to add 2 instead.
So just stay for a little while.
Trust me whenever I say that I was very unsure when adding this pumpkin puree, you guys. So it did not smell and it did not taste sweet at all. So I was over here thinking to myself, maybe these cupcakes are gonna come out like not sweet. So that is one of the reasons why I decided to add an extra tablespoon of brown sugar and then added the granulated sugar also. But nevertheless, did I think that they were gonna come out so delicious.
Give me every detail, I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when I'm lying in your arms. Oh,
I also always tend to use an ice cream scooper for my cupcakes, and also whenever I make chocolate chip cookies, you guys, they make a world of a difference. So if you have not tried it, make sure you try it that way.
So just stay for a little while.
My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You'll fix what's broken when you make that smile. Stay for a little while. Stay for a little while. Never knew that it could feel this way when you lie next to someone. You don't even need to play pretend, 'cause you find the way you are. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when you're lying in my arms. My heart is open.
Alright, you guys, so the first batch is out, so I'm going to start frosting them. And like I had mentioned, I am using the Duncan Hines creamy cheese frosting. I absolutely love cream cheese frosting on cakes, cupcakes, anything. So I really love these liners, you guys, because they come off so easily from the cupcake. Look at that. Nice little cupcake. And I am not being extra right now because I did not have any time to be able to order some fall liners, but it is what it is. This is what we have. This is what we're working with. So I'm going to be taking them out of the liners, placing them on this plate, and then going to start frosting them. So like I had said, this is actually my first time making these pumpkin pie cupcakes, you guys. I have never ever made anything with that pumpkin puree, and not even cupcakes like this. So I winged everything as far as like the pumpkin spice seasoning and the brown sugar and the granulated sugar. I just wanted to add that on there to be able to see if it gave it, you know, somewhat of more of a sweeter taste. But we shall find out what these taste like.
Now I just hope that you stay for a little while.
You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while.
My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You'll fix what's broken when you make that smile. Stay for a little while. Stay for a little
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down,
so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high.
Alright guys, so now is testing time. Oh my god. Wow. They're actually so good. And I don't know if you can tell, but you guys, they are so super moist. They are so good. They are so soft. They're so moist. Yum. I am definitely going to make these again. I will go ahead and leave the recipe down below for anybody that would like to try it. And if you do try it, please don't forget to tag me. I will go ahead and leave my handle here for anybody that is not yet following me on Instagram. Make sure to tag me. Let me know how you like it. But this does conclude this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to my channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!